Okay, still in Grange. This is lot 106. It's Forest River, Salem, 2004. It's never been used. Matter of fact, this one has never been used for anything except for storage. It has not been used for office. Walking around, slide out is in. Sure bring some air for your tires and pick it up. You're high bidder. And one thing I will point out is the awning sheet, not the mechanical part, the awning cover needs to be replaced. You do need to bring air for the tires, as I mentioned. Nice clean unit on the outside. We'll go inside now. Okay, we're inside lot 106 now. This is your master bedroom here. Cushion right there belongs to the couch. And it does have a stereo system, as you see in the back. And that's your entertainment system back in there. You can see the pull out is in. Here's your couch. Pulls out into the bed as well. AC up here. This does have speakers throughout it. It's kind of unusual. See, kitchen table. Now I'm going to try to do this, but it has two bunks in the back, and I'll try to get as best I can to give you an idea. This pull out is in, it's hard to get back here and see. This is two bunks in the back. It does have a big door if you can see it. Bringing in extra things. And the facilities are in here, and I will try to give you a picture. Again, I can't get in, but okay. You see, amateur's doing this film. No question about it. All right, refrigerator, freezer, stove, microwave, sink. There's some minor things need to be fixed outside the awning. It does have sliding doors here for privacy to the master bedroom. And that should do it for lot 106.